Welcome everybody to another SkyCiv tutorial. Today I'll be taking you through our model repair function, which is just in our structural 3D program under Edit, Repair Model. Now what Repair Model does is actually goes through your structure, checking all your nodes and members are connected properly. And I'll just demonstrate how we can use this feature. So here we have a frame, the columns to a frame. And I'm just going to join up these cross members just by clicking and dragging through the nodes. So typically this is how you would want to build this structure, just by clicking between nodes. Now where the issue is that some users and some programs actually allow you just to go from one end to the other. So this is actually not connecting the member the node 25 here. So we're actually passing through from 26 to 8. And we're not actually connecting this member to this member, because we're actually going from node 26 to node 8. Now I'll just continue to build that purposely incorrectly and run and solve. So when I run and solve now, it's going to actually ask me, hey, there's some issues with your structure, would you like to repair? Just for this tutorial, I'm going to say no and try and solve anyway. So once solved, I'll just show through displacement how this can affect my results. So as I deform the structure, we can actually see that that middle frame is not connected at all. Now that's not ideal to our structure. We want that middle frame to be included in the structure and that joint to be made. And so that's obviously built incorrectly. So I'll go back, and what I'll do is I can actually go Edit, Repair Model, or our solver will actually immediately identify the fact that the structure has been built incorrectly and offer to repair your model. So this time I will hit Submit Changes and Solve. Okay. And what I can see now when I turn on displacement is that the entire structure is now joined up. So another example of where that might occur is if you're just doing a multi-span beam. So I'll just go and just quickly enter a whole bunch of nodes. Now, if I went from member 1 to 7, that's not connecting these individual nodes. But now I'll be able to go Edit, Repair Model, and it will tell me that it's actually made those new members, submit the change, and now I can see each individual member has been separated. Now I'll just take you through a case study where this has become very handy for someone. So here we had a user building a truss-like system, and now they've built it in a way that these members are actually crossing through a whole range of nodes. So I can see from 46 to 41 is a single member, and these nodes are actually not connected at all. Now, typically, if I was to go and repair this job, this might take me an hour, but with the new Repair Model function, I can just click Repair Model, and in a matter of seconds, I have all those changes made, and I'm ready to solve with my structure. So now I can go back and see that these members now individually separate the nodes. So there you have it, that's our short tutorial for today, just to show you how to use the repair model, which is in our structural 3D program.